If you're filing for divorce in Texas, there's a concept you've got to understand, but you may miss. That's a geographic restriction or a geo restriction for short. And the thing about a geographic restriction is it can really change the entire course of the rest of your life and often isn't even really talked about until you're at mediation. So let's start with what is a geographic restriction? The way I think about this is I want you to picture a bubble. Remember that movie, The Truman Show, where there's like this bubble that Jim Carrey lived in? It's sort of like that around the primary parent and the kids. So typically what happens and like what's going to be the standard unless you negotiate otherwise in the state of Texas is the county where you file for divorce. Imagine a big Truman Show bubble around it because that's where you and those kids are going to stay. And then if you ever want to move out of that restriction, you kind of can't. Or normally a court would say, like, okay, you can go ahead and go, but them kids are going to stay, which of course you're not going to leave your kids behind.